क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स. मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर. टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस. Chapter number 10, your height and distance. First of all, we want to know angle of elevation. What is the angle of elevation? First, we want to see what is angle of elevation. As you have to see in this figure, there is a flag. So this flag is standing on the ground, and this is horizon. It is horizon. So this one is ray of vision, and ray of vision makes an angle with the horizon, that is called as angle of elevation. Now come to know angle of depression. What is angle of depression? Suppose Rama is standing on the balcony of her house and watching car which is coming towards her. The angle formed by the horizontal and this depression, so that is called as angle of depression. This angle is called as angle of depression, this one. And further, when car is near, so this one is your angle of depression. So these type of angles are called as angle of depression. So it is your horizontal. Now come to the example one. In this example, from a point of a ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of building, the angle of elevation of top of building is found to be 45 degree. Find the height of the building. So this angle of elevation is 45 degree, and this is your height. AB is height, so we want to find AB, that is the height H. Let height of the building be H. Now come to the, and the distance, that is the 15 meter away from the foot. This building is 15 meter away, so this one is 15 meter. BC is 15 meter. So now come to the let the height of the building be H meter. Now in triangle, which one? Triangle ABC, taking tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree. What will be happen? It is AB upon BC. As you know, tan 45 value has 1, and AB, that is the H, and BC is 15. So multiply, cross multiply, so we get H is equal to 15 meter. So that is your answer. Come to the second. A ladder is placed against a vertical wall. This is your vertical wall, and the ladder is here. It is your ladder. This one is your ladder. Now, so that it forms an angle of 60 degree. So this angle is from 60 degree with the ground. This one is ground. If the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the base of the wall, this is your 4 meter. This distance is 4 meter. That means कि AC find करना है. So how can find this AC? Let the length of the ladder be X meter. Let the length of ladder be X meter. Now in triangle, which one? ABC, taking sine cos 60 degree. So cos is base upon hypotenuse. Base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. As you know, cos 60 is 1 by 2. The value of cos 60, that is the 1 by 2. AB is taking as a 4 meter, and AC, that is the x. Now do the cross multiplication. X equal to 2 into 4, so x becomes 8 meters. So that is your answer. This is the length of the ladder. Next question, a tree breaks due to storm and broken parts bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground, makes an angle 60 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 6 meter. That one is 6 meter. And tree is broken here, C, at C. Find the height of the tree. Total height find करनी है. So height of the tree, it is AC plus BC. So that is the height. It is AC and it is BC. The whole is the height. Now AB is given as 6 meter. It is your 6 meter. It is given as 6 meter. AB is 6 meter. So now taking in triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC. First of all, we want to see this angle is 60 degree. It is your 60 degree. Now in triangle ABC, first of all we want to take cos 60 degree. So taking as a cos 60 degree, what will be happen? Cos, it is the base upon hypotenuse. So we can say it is AB upon AC. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. AB is 6 meters, and what about to AC? So AC is equal to 6 into 2, that is the 12 of meter. Okay, now come to the second part, and in same triangle, in triangle ABC, taking tan 60. So tan 60 degree is equal to BC upon AB. That means perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 is root 3. So we want to find BC. AB is 6. So BC is equal to 6 root 3 meter. Now the length of tree. What is the length of tree? Length of tree, it is AC plus BC. Now add them. AC is, that is 12, and BC is 6 root 3. So 6 is common as, it is 2 plus root 3, and that is your answer. You can do very well this question. Now come to the next question. An observer 1.4 meter tall, that one is observer. It is 1.4 meter tall, is 25.6 meter away from the towers. This is the tower, BC is the tower, and the observer is 25.6 meter away from this tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from her eyes is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. This is horizontal line. So this is angle of elevation. So it is 45 degree. What is the height of the tower? That means ki BC, B and C. What is the height? That is the BC. BC is the height of the tower. So how can find the height of the tower? Now in triangle, consider in this triangle, as you know, DE is also AB. In triangle CDE, as you know, it is DE is equal to AB, and that is 25.6 meter. Now in triangle CD, take tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. It is CD upon ED. Perpendicular upon base, this one is perpendicular and it is your base. So what will be happen? Tan 45, that is the one, and CD is, we don't know CD, and we know ED. ED is 25.6. So CD is equal to 25.6 meter. Now consider the DB point. So DB is equal to AE, which is the observers. So DB is equal to 1.4 meter. Now the height of the tower. Now height of the tower is equal to how much? It is CD plus DB. This one, it is CD and DB. CD is given as, that is 25.6 and plus BD is equal to 1.4. So we can write here 1.4. It is 1.4. Now adding them. So 6 and 4, that is 0. And 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. So here is 2 and 1, 3. 37 meters. That is your answer. AB is given as 10 meters. So in triangle, which one? In triangle, this one, PAB. PAB. What will be happen? Here is tan 30. Tan 30 degree is equal to, it is AB, that is perpendicular, upon AP, that is base. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 and AB is, that is 10 upon AP. So we can find the AP. So AP is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Now take a triangle, the whole triangle. Which one whole triangle? In triangle, that is the PAD. So PAD. Now once again taking tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to, that is the AD upon PA. As you know, APPA, that is the 10 root 30. Tan 45, that is the one. AD is H plus 10, where H is the height of the flagstaff, and PA is 10 root 3. Now do the cross multiplication. So H plus 10 is equal to 10 root of 3. So H is equal to 10 root 3 minus of 1 minus 10. So 10 is a common. So we get under root 3 minus 1. Put the value of under root 3, that is 1.732 minus 1. So we get 10 into 0.732, that becomes 7.32 meter. So that is your answer. The next question. A boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. It is your 30-meter tall building, that is the building is BC. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increased 30 degree to 60 degree. It is 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks towards the building, जैसे ये बिल्डिंग की तरफ चलना चालू होता है, find the distance he walks towards the building. ये डिस्टेंस आपको फाइंड करनी है, कितनी डिस्टेंस वो चला है। सपोज इट इज योर x and this distance, suppose it is your y, this distance is y. Now in triangle, that one is, first of all, in triangle, which one? That is the BCA, or you can say ABC. It is ABC. Now tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is BC and base is CA. So we can write here BC upon CA. Tan 30, that means 1 by root 3. BC is given as 30 and CA we want to find, it is x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 30 root of 3. So it's your equation first. Now come to the second equation. Now in the second triangle, in triangle, which one? It is BCD. Now tan 60 taking tan 60 degree. What will be happen? It is BC upon CD. So tan 60 is value, that is the root 3. BC, it is your 30 and CD is y. So we can calculate this 30 upon root 3. Now multiply by root 3. So we get 30 root 3 and divide by 3. 3 10 ja 30. So it will be 10 root 3 meter. It is about y. Now put the value of y in equation first. This one you can put this. So x plus y. So what will be happen? X plus y is 10 root 3 and equal to 30 root 3. So x is equal to 30 root 3 minus 10 root 3. So it becomes 20 root 3 meter. So that is the answer. The angle of depression of top of a tower to a flower pot on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be h, and it is 30 meter away from the tower. It is for flower pot. O is the flower pot. Angle of depression is 30 degree is given. So here is alternate by the alternate angle. So all are equal. So this must be 30 degree. So what will be happen in triangle? Which one? AOB. AOB, that is the tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon OB. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is h, it is supposing, and it is 30. So h is equal to 30 upon root 3. Now multiply by root 3 denominator and numerator. So we get 30 root 3 and divided by 3. So 3 10 jump. So we get 10 root 3 meter. So that is your answer. The angle of elevation, the angle of depression from the top of a light pole. It is your light pole, that is the PQ, and top is P point. The foot of the building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. This one is angle of depression. One is 45 degree and second one is 60 degree. This you can see here one angle and the second angle is this. With the help of alternate, it is 45 degree and it is 60 degree. Now what will be happen? If the height of the building is 12 meters, building is, this one is 12 meters, so it is also 12 meter. Find the height of the light pole and its distance from the building. X find करना है आपको, distance from the building, and this is H, light pole. So now we are taking all this in triangle. So first of all, in triangle, which one? P R A. P R A. Taking tan 45 degree, that is PR, that is the perpendicular upon base is RA. So it is 1 PR, that is the H, and RA, that is X. So X is equal to H. So equation number first. Now come to the last triangle, that is the PQB. So in triangle PQB, what will be happen in PQB? Taking tan 60, that is the perpendicular upon base, it is tan 60 degree. It is, so it is PQ upon BQ. It is root 3. PQ is H plus 12. So we can write here H plus 12 upon BQ as a X. Now multiply, cross multiplication. So H plus 12 is equal to root 3 of X. Equation second. By equation first and second, what will be happen? It is H plus 12 is equal to root 3 of H. X is equal to H. Now shifting this H on right hand side, so 12 is equal to root 3 H. So minus H. Taking H as a common, so we get root 3 minus 1 in one bracket. So H will be equal to 12 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize the denominator. So H is equal to 12 upon root 3 minus 1 multiply by root 3 plus 1, and here is root 3 plus 1. So what will be happen in this? It is 12 root 3 plus 1, and here is 3 minus 1, and it becomes 2. So 12 root 3 plus 1 and divided by 2, 2 6 ja 12. So we get 6 root 3 plus 1 meter. So that is your answer. The angle of depression. The angle of depression from the peak of a hill to two houses of opposite sides. The hill are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. This one is 30 degree and this one is 60 degree. So with the help of alternate angle, this will be 30 degree and this will become 60 degree. Find the distance between the house given that the height of the hill is 60 meter. This height of the hill is 60 degree, and find the distance between A and B. Now let AQ is equal to X meter and BQ is equal to Y meter. Now one by one triangle we can taking. So first of all, in triangle PQA, it is PQA. Now tan 30 degree. What will be happen? It is AP perpendicular upon base, that is the AQ. The value of tan 30, that is the root 1 by root 3. AP is 60 degree, 60, and AQ is taking as X. So X is equal to 60 root 3 meter. Now taking the next triangle, and in triangle which one, that is the PQB. PQB. Now tan 60 degree, it is also perpendicular upon base, so perpendicular is PQ and base is BQ. The value, this one is root 3, PQ is 60 degree, 60 and BQ is Y. So we can find the Y is equal to 60 upon root of 3. Now multiply by root 3, numerator and denominator. This will be, no, this will be not be cancelled out. So this is your 60 root 3 upon 3. So 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja 6. So it is 20 root 3. Now we want to find AB. AB is equal to AQ plus BQ. AQ is 60 root 3 and BQ is 20 root 3. So it becomes 80 root 3. That is your answer. Itne meter. A straight road goes straight up till the base of the building. A man is standing on the top of the building. See a car at 30-degree angle of depression. Here is a person with, and that's see a 30-degree angle of depression. With the help of alternate, so this will becomes 30-degree also. So the car is moving towards the building at a uniform speed. After car has covered a distance of 30 meters, whenever it's covered 30 meters, so angle of depression will be 60 degree. This angle is depression, that is 60 degree. The angle of depression becomes 60 degree. If the time taken by the car to reach the building from this point 10 meters, that means this x is taken in a 10 second. Find the speed of car. So speed of car find. So how can find the speed of car? Let us see. This angle of depression with the help of alternate interior angle. So this will be 60 degree. Now come to the solution. Now first of all we can take in this triangle ABC. Now first in triangle ABC. Now tan 60 degree. That is the perpendicular upon base, so AB upon BC. It is AB upon BC. Tan 60 value, that is the root 3, and AB is H and BC is X. Now H is equal to root 3 of X. So this is your equation first. Now take in triangle, large triangle. So in triangle, which one? It is A, B, D. This large triangle A, B and D. Now tan 30, it is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is A, B upon BD. It is 1 by root 3 and AB is H and BD is X plus 30. X plus 30. Now come to the next one. Do the multiplication, cross multiplication. So we get X plus 30 is equal to under root 3 of H. So that is your equation second. With the help of first and second equation, by equation first and second, put the value of H. So it is X plus 30 is equal to root 3. X is also root 3x. So it is X plus 30 is equal to 3 of X. Now 30 is equal to 3x minus X. So 2x becomes 30. So x is equal to 30 upon 2, that is 15. So x is equal to 15 meter. Time is given as 10 second. So time is 10 second. It is given as 10 second. So as you know, the distance that is the 15 meter. It is your 15 meter. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is given as 15 meter and time is 10. So we get 1.5 meter per second. So that is your answer. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from a point on the ground, which is 90 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. In this figure, you can see it is the height of the tower, that is the h, let, and it is the 90 meter away from the tower, and this is angle of elevation. Now let the height of the tower be h meter. So in triangle ABC, what will you happen? Now taking 10. So tan of 30 degree, it will be equal to AB upon BC. Tan 30's value is 1 by root 3, and AB, that is the h, and BC is 90 meters. Now do the cross multiplication. So h is equal to 90 upon root 3. Now rationalize the denominator. It is root 3 into root 3. So what will happen? So it becomes 90 of root 3, and downwards it is 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 1 0. So we get h as a 30 root 3 meter. So that is your answer. There is a vertical column which is 3 meter tall. This AB is the vertical column that is 3 meter tall. Find the angle of elevation from the point. Angle of elevation find करना है हमें. And the under root 3h meter away from the base. It is the under root 3h meter away from the base. Now this one is angle of, let the angle be theta. So you can write here, let the angle of elevation be theta. Now in triangle, which one? ABC. ABC. Taking tan. So tan theta, that is the perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB and base is BC. Now put the value. Tan theta. AB is 3h and BC is root 3 of h. H will be cancelled out. So we get 3 upon root 3. Now multiply by root 3 for rationalization the denominator. So we get 3 root 3 upon 3. So this will be cancelled out. So we get root 3. It is your tan theta. As you know, the value of root 3 is 60 degree. So tan theta becomes tan 60 degree. So theta becomes 60 degree. That is your answer. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above. This one is a kite 60 meter above from the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to point on the ground. This is C point tied here and the kite is flying at A. The inclination of a string with the ground is 60 degree. This is the angle of inclination, that is the 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. There is no slack. Slack means ऐसा सा झुकाव सा होना चाहिए, नहीं है slack. So L find करने, this length is find out. Now let the length be L. Let the length of a string be L meter. Now in triangle, which one? A, B, C. So 10, not 10. It is sine 60 degree. So it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we can write here AB upon AC. Tan 60 degree, that is the root 3 by 2, and AB is given as it is 60 and AC is L. Now it becomes L is equal to 60 into 2 upon root 3. Now denominator rationalize कर लीजिए. So root 3 into root 3 in both terms. So it will be 60 into 2 into root 3 upon 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 20 and 2 2 ja 4. It is 40 root 3 meter. So that is your answer. Question 4. The angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree. That means it is a foot of tower. That is the tower, foot of tower. It is 30 degree for the building, which is 15 meter high. And the angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. That is your 60 degree. And it is your tower and it is the foot of the building. If the building is 15 meter high, it is your 15 meter high building. Then find the height of the tower. Now height of the tower, that is the H, we will find out. Now let the height of tower be H. Let the height of tower be H meter. Now in triangle, which one? This is ABC. In triangle ABC. Now we can take tan 30. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon BC. The value of tan 30, that is the root 1 upon root 3. AB is 15 and BC is X. So we get X is equal to 15 root 3. So that is your equation first. Now in triangle, which one? That is the BCD, this one. So in triangle BCD, here is tan 60. What will be upon? It is DC, perpendicular upon base, that is the BC. So tan 60, the value of tan 60 is root 3 and DC is, that is the H, and BC, that is X. So it is your equation second. So by equation first and second. By equation first and second. Put the value of X in this. So under root 3 is equal to H upon X is 15 root 3. So it is 15 root 3. Do the cross multiplication. So H is equal to root 3 into 15 root 3. So that becomes 3 into 15 and that is 45 meter. So height is 45 meter. That is your answer. Two towers are at a distance of 120 meter from each other. These are the two towers A, B and C, D, and this is 120 meter. The angle of depression, this is the angle of depression of 30 degree from the top of the second tower is 30 degree. It is given as 30 degree. With the help of alternate angle, it will be also 30 degree. If the second tower is 40 meter high, this one is second tower, that is the 40 meter high. Now find the height of the first tower. Now you can angle ABE. This one is in this CE is 40 minus, because whole is the 40 and this one is H and this one is also H, so it becomes 40 minus H. So in this triangle tan 30, so we can take tan 30 degree is equal to, it is perpendicular upon base, that is the CE upon AE. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CE is given as, it is 40 minus H upon AE is 120. Now 40 minus H is equal to 120 divided by root 3. Now multiply by root 3 in denominator and numerator also. So it becomes 120 into root 3 upon 3. It is 40 minus H. So 3 4 is 12, 40 root 3. So what will be happen? It is question number 6. If the angle of elevation of top of the tower, 2 points at a distance of A and B from the base of the tower. So it is your tower and base is here, that is the C point, and the distance of A and B, it is the distance A and this one is B. Form the base of the tower and in the same straight line, these are the in same straight line, the angle is complementary. So one angle is if theta, then second one is 90 minus theta. So what will be happen in this? So you can see here, in triangle, which one? ACD, in triangle ACD. Now we can take tan theta. It is DC upon AC. So tan theta is equal to, DC is given as H and AC is A. So it's your equation first. Now in second triangle, that is the DCB. In triangle, which one? DCB. Now tan 90 minus theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, this angle. So it is DC upon CB. DC upon CB. Tan 90 minus theta, that is the cot theta. So cot theta is equal to DC is H and CB is B. So that is the equation second. Now multiply to first and second equation. These two equations are multiplying to each other. So we get here is tan theta into cot theta, and here is H upon A into H upon B. So tan theta, as you know, cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. So it becomes H square upon AB. tan theta will be cancelled out. So 1 is equal to h square upon AB. So h square is equal to AB, then h is equal to under root of AB. Hence proved. Yes, come to the point, and there is a 15 meter, it is the building, and it is a tower CD, that is the h meter. So angle of elevation is 60 degree to the tower top, and the depression is 30 degree, which is given. Now find the height of the tower, this height of the tower, and the distance between them, that is the x. So first of all, with the help of alternate interior angle, this angle is 30 degrees, so it is also 30 degree. Now let the height of tower be h. Let the height of tower be h meter, and distance between building and tower be x meter. Now taking in triangle, which one? That is the small triangle, that is the ABD. In triangle ABD, here is tan 30. Tan 30 is AB upon D, AB upon BD. Tan 30 value, that is the 1 by root 3. AB is given as 15 and BD is x. So x becomes 15 root 3 meter. It is your first answer. Now taking second triangle. Now come to the. Now first of all, you can see here the distance CD is h, but CE is 15 meters. So this small distance, that is the CE, that is h minus 15 meter. So now taking in triangle, which one? A, E and C. This a small triangle, and that is the tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree. So it becomes CE upon AE. AE is also x, so it is under root 3. CE is h minus 15 and AE is x. So multiply this, cross multiplication, minus h minus 15 is equal to under 3 of x. Put the value of x. Value of x in equation first. So what will be happen? It is h minus 15 is equal to root 3. X is 15 root 3, this one. It is 15 root 3. So h minus 15 is equal to 3 into 15. So h is equal to 45 plus 15, and that is 60 meters. So it's your answer. The distance between 2 points A and B on the same side of the river bank is 40 meters. That one is A and it is your B, and 40 meter apart. They are 40 meter at a distance. There is a point C on the opposite side. Opposite sides में ये point C है. Parallel river banks such as angle of BAC. Where is BAC? It is BAC. This angle is 60 degree. And the angle of ABC 30 degree, that is the angle of ABC, that means A angle is 30 degree. Now find the width of the rivers. This width of the river, find, let it be X. Let width of river be X meter and AD is equal to Y meter. Now in triangle, which one? It is A, C and D. In triangle ACD, tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to perpendicular upon base, so it is CD, perpendicular and base is AD. It is root of 3. CD is X and AD is Y. So we get Y is equal to X by root 3. Now come into the next triangle. In triangle BCD, here is tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to Y perpendicular upon base, so that is CD upon BD. This is CD and it is your BD, perpendicular upon base. The value of tan 30, that is the 1 upon root 3. CD is, that is the X, and BD is, that is the 40 minus Y, because it is your Y, so it will be 40 minus Y. So you can write here 40 minus Y. Now what will be happen? Do the cross multiplication. So it will be root 3 of X is equal to 40 minus Y. Put the value of Y. It is equation second. Put the value of in equation second. What will be happen in this? We can see here. It is under root 3 of X is equal to 40 minus Y is X upon root 3. Now transfer to left hand side. It is root 3 of X plus X upon root 3 is equal to 40. Now what will be happen? Taking their LCM, it is root 3, so it is 3x plus x is equal to 40. So it is 4x is equal to 40 root 3. So x is equal to 40 root 3 divided by 4. 4 10 ja 40. So x will be equal to 10 root of 3 meter. That is your answer. Yes, the angles on a point P on the ground made by the peak of a temple and the flag on top of it are 30 degree and 60 degree. Top is this, it makes 60 degree, and this made 30 degree. Now if the temple is 10 meter high, this height is 10 meter. Now find the height of this flag, that is the H. Let the height of flag be H meter. Now come to the triangle ACB and triangle BCP. So first of all, in triangle, which one? PCB, this one, PCB. It is tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to, what will be happen? It is BC upon PC. Let PC be X. it is x meter. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and BC is 10 and PC is x. Do the cross multiplication, x equal to 10 root 3 meter. So it's your equation first. Now in triangle, which one large triangle? That is the PCA. This one PC and A. Taking tan 60. Tan 60 degree, that is AC upon PC. Tan 60 is root 3, AC is H plus 10. That one is AC. AC is H plus 10. So you can write here H plus 10. And PC is, that is your X. Do the cross multiplication. So H plus 10 is equal to root 3 of X. Put the value of X in equation second. Now what will be happen? It is H plus 10 is equal to root 3 x value, that is the 10 root 3. So H plus 10 is equal to 3 into 10. So H is equal to 30 minus 10. So it becomes 20 meters. So that is your answer. Two electricity poles of equal height on the opposite sides of 40-meter wide road. This road BD is a 40-meter road and the equal pole, that is the height of H. Suppose the height of pole is H. And the distance from this point E is X and the second pole is 40 minus X, that is Y. The angle of elevation, that is not depression, it is angle of elevation. So you can remember also. So angle of elevation is 30 degree and 60 degrees respectively. Now come to the triangle. In triangle ABE. Now in triangle ABE. Now tan of 60. Tan 60 degree, that becomes AB upon, that is AB upon BE. The value of tan 60, that is the root 3 and AB is, that is the H and BE is X. Now we can find the X or H. So H is equal to root 3 of X. So that is your equation first. Now taking the second triangle, it is BC, it is DEC. In triangle DCE, what will be happen? Tan 30 degree, it is CD upon DE. Tan 30, that is the 1 upon root 3. CD is H and here is DE is 40 minus X. So that is the equation. Now do the cross multiplication. So H is equal to 1 by root 3 and 40 minus X. It is your equation second. By equation first and second. By equation first and second, what will be happen? The H both are equal. So we can write here under root 3 X is equal to 1 by root 3 and 40 minus X. So root 3 multiplied to this side, it becomes 3x is equal to 40 minus X. X transfer to left hand side, so 3x plus X is equal to 40. It is 4x is equal to 40. So X equal to 40 divided by 4. 4 10 ja, so X becomes 10 meter. So first answer, that is the distance between the first pole from the E. So it is your first answer. Now you can take the second answer, that is the Y. So Y is equal to 40 minus X. Put the value of X. So it is 40 minus 10. So that is 30 meter. It is your second answer. Put the value of X in equation first. Put the value of x in equation first. So first equation is here. So we can find the h is equal to root 3 and x is 10. So h is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So it's your yes, an observer spots a balloon moving at a height of 90 meter. This is 90 meter. It is moving this direction, and here is it is also 90 meter above the horizon. If at a certain time the angle of elevation made by the balloon with the observer's eyes is 45 degree, which reduced to 30 degree after some time. It is first 45 then reduced to 30 degrees. So it will going forward. It is far away from the observer. Find the distance covered by the balloon. This distance covered by the balloon x, so it is also x. Let it will be y. Now taking their triangles. So in triangle, which one? It is OCA. OCA. There is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to, it is AC upon OC. Tan 45, that is the one. AC is 90 and OC is y. So y is equal to 90 meter. So it is your first equation. Now change the triangle. In triangle, which one? It is ODB. This one OD and B. That is the tan 30. So tan 30 degree is equal to BD upon OD. It is 1 by root 3. BD is, where is BD? BD is 90. And OD is here. It is x plus y. Now do the cross multiplication. S plus y is equal to 90 root of 3. Put the value of y in equation second. Put the value of y in equation second. So what will be happen? So it is x plus y is 90 is equal to 90 root of 3. So x equal to 90 root 3 minus 90. So x equal to 90 is a common. So under root 3 minus 1 meter. It is your answer. मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो उसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें जिससे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।